I can show you the world. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess,
Cut.
now when...
Come in.
I like what I'm hearing. John with ground level sound.
Hey, Bill, Pixis Industries.
I'm Frankie. This is my studio. I'm telling you, this guy is our next big thing. You've never heard anything like this before.
How is he still going? I'm actually pretty impressed.
Is this the sound you were talking about?
It's not what...
I think we've heard enough. Let's go.
David, the mic was still on.
What? No, I can't hear anything.
We heard everything.
That's probably one of you guys.
We got it all recorded right here.
Just play it back.
All right.
That wasn't me.